Snakes are scary for a lot of people. If you're scared of snakes, you might be interested in learning more about them. You might find that the more you know about snakes, the less afraid you are of them. So here are 10 interesting facts about snakes to help you learn more about them. No one. There are many different species of snakes. The world is home to more than 3,900 species of snakes. There are more species of snakes than any other type of reptile, and they can be found all over the world. They live on every continent except Antarctica. There are many different types of snakes, including pythons, cobras, adders, racers, water snakes, coral snakes, garter snakes, and many others. Some snakes are very dangerous, while others are completely harmless. Some are small, and some are huge. A lot of people hate snakes because of their ability to slither, which means they can get into places that other animals can't. Snakes can slither through very narrow spaces. They also don't need a clear path. They can slither over rocks and logs and around corners without being able to see where they are going. Some people are afraid of snakes because they can attack humans, but most snakes won't attack unless they feel threatened or are protecting their young. But it's a good idea to stay away from any snake you don't recognize. Number 2, snakes have no legs. All snakes are legless, which means they have no legs or feet. But snakes didn't always look like this. Scientists discovered fossils of ancient snakes with legs. This tells us that snakes used to have legs, but they lost them over time. Snakes may have lost their legs so they could move better in tight spaces. Snakes can move in a variety of ways. Most snakes move by slithering, but some can also move by sidewinding. This is when the snake moves its body in a series of S-curves. Rattlesnakes often move this way. Other snakes move by rectilinear movement. This is when the snake moves in a straight line by contracting its muscles. Some snakes can also move by concertina movement. This is when the snake moves by expanding and contracting its body in a wave motion. Some snakes can also move by using their tails. This is called tail-assisted locomotion. No. 3 snakes have scales. Like all reptiles, snakes have scales on their bodies. Their scales are made of keratin, which is the same substance that makes up our nails and hair. Scales help protect a snake's body and also help it keep moist. However, a snake's scales can tell us what kind of environment it lives in. For example, if a snake has smooth scales, it probably lives in a dry environment. If a snake has rough scales, it probably lives in a wet environment. You can usually tell where a snake is from just by looking at its scales. Number 4, snakes don't have eyelids. Snake's eyes are covered by a scale called a brill. The brill protects the snake's eye from injury, but it also helps the snake see better. The brill acts like a magnifying glass, which helps the snake see both near and far away. Some snakes can even see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to us. This helps the snake see better in the dark. Snakes can also see infrared light, which is heat. This helps the snake find warm places to sunbathe. It also helps the snake find prey animals whose body heat is easy to detect. No. 5 snakes can swallow large prey. Snakes have flexible jaws and stomachs, which allows them to swallow large prey. When a snake swallows its prey, its stomach expands to make room for the food. The snake's teeth help it hold on to its prey as it swallows it. Some snakes can swallow prey bigger than their heads. After a snake swallows its prey, it takes a long time for the food to digest. Some snakes can go a long time without eating again after they swallow their prey. Number 6. Snakes lay eggs. There are some exceptions, but in general, snakes are oviparous, which means they lay eggs. Some snakes give birth to live young, but these are called viviparous snakes. Most snakes lay eggs in a clutch. A clutch is a group of eggs that are laid at the same time. The number of eggs in a clutch can vary depending on the species of snake. Some snakes lay only a few eggs each year, while others can lay hundreds of eggs each year. Snake eggs are soft and leathery. They're not hard like bird eggs. Snake eggs are usually laid in a safe place, like under a rock or a log. The snake mother will guard her eggs until they hatch. Number 7. Snakes shed their skin. Snakes grow by shedding their skin. As a snake grows, its skin doesn't grow with it. So the snake must shed its old skin and grow a new one. Snakes shed their skin in one piece. Looks like a snake's wearing a jacket that it can take off. Before a snake sheds its skin, it will often find a safe place to hide. This is so it can shed its skin without being bothered. Shedding a snake's skin can take a few minutes or a few hours. When a snake is done shedding, it will look like new. Its skin will be shiny and bright. No. 8. Snakes have forked tongues. Most snakes have two tongues, but they aren't the same as ours. Snakes' tongues are forked, which means they have two separate parts. This helps the snake taste the air. When a snake sticks out its tongue, it's tasting the air to see if there's any danger nearby. It can also use its tongue to smell things. This helps the snake find food. Some snakes also use their tongues to communicate. They flick their tongues out to warn other snakes to stay away. Number 9. Snakes can live for a long time. The average lifespan of a snake depends on its species. Some snakes only live for a few years, while others can live for decades. The longest living snake was a reticulated python. It lived for 157 years. That's almost 200 years. It's amazing to think that a snake can live that long. Number 10. Snakes play an important role in our ecosystem. Snakes are predators, which means they eat other animals. This helps keep the populations of other animals under control. Snakes are also scavengers, which means they will eat dead animals. This helps clean up the environment. Some snakes are poisonous, which means their venom can kill prey. This helps snakes catch their prey more easily. Some snakes are also venomous, which means their bite can be deadly to humans. However, venomous snakes are rare. Most snakes are harmless to humans. There are many different kinds of snakes in the world. Some are small, and some are huge. Some are dangerous, and others are completely harmless. Some can spit poison, and others constrict their prey. But despite their differences, all snakes have one thing in common. They are all reptiles. Snakes belong to a group of animals called reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that have scales and breathe air. Other reptiles include lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. Snakes are truly fascinating creatures. They may seem scary, but they are really amazing animals. So next time you see a snake, remember that it is not just a scary monster. It is a beautiful, amazing creature that is a part of our world. Did you learn anything new about snakes? Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.